what's up guys, how y'all doing? We back with part 2. Let's go. Alright, we're about to tweak this whole thing. This one is going to be the major tweak, so for the ones that did follow my tweak video, the first video, the ones that followed that one, this is the second part of it. So for the ones that didn't follow the first one, please do that first and then move on to this one, so you'll know exactly what to do or what to change and how to change it. Alright, if you need any help, just write in the comments or message me yourself. Alright, here we go. We're about to start it. Alright, I just want everybody, I got my Regedit open, but this is going to be a Regedit tweak, so I want everybody to open up Regedit. So we're going to take that in, Regedit. If you don't know or remember, it's regedit.exe or Regedit, and it should show up or pop up as soon as you type it like this. Regedit right there. Alright. Matter of fact, is regedit.msc, or you could just type Regedit. Sorry about that. Alright. Alright, so we're going to move all the way back. I was doing something. Alright, so yeah, it's gonna start off like this. We're gonna go to H key local machine, so hit that one. Then we're gonna hit system, so hit that one right there below software. Then hit current control set. Alright, once you hit current control set, hit control underneath that to go to the next folder. We're gonna move this all the way down till we get to where it says session manager. So go down to all the way till it says S, and then just look for session manager. Once you see session manager, hit that. Then we're gonna move all the way down in that menu to power. Okay, so just click one tap on power, left click it, and we should see all of this. If y'all don't see all of it on y'all side, then I'm sure that y'all probably didn't do no update or whatever. Okay, so for the ones that do, well, for the ones that don't have it or all of this inside that power folder right here, I will leave all the commands in the description link on the bottom. So all you do is have to, if you do have to manually do it by yourself, just for each one, just right click on it, go to new, and then set as D word. Okay, and then put that look, see right now it says new value because I take the new one. So just hit D word and then type that value or whatever, and then put 0. For the ones that I put in this description, those are all zeros. So as you see in this list right here, there's a lot of them that's zeros. So follow that same pattern and everything should work good. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through it all through it with y'all because there's a lot of files in this section, so I'm gonna just let y'all do the thing. I already did my part, and I already put all commands inside the description box, so I will leave it in there so you will see it. When you see it, just highlight it, and then afterwards copy it, and then right click on your desktop, go to new, and then go to text document, open it, and then just paste it in there, so that way you can't miss either one of them, and you could just do it from your desktop instead of keep grabbing it from the site or anything like that. If anything, I will leave a link also, just so like you can just download the file, which I will create like a custom file, so you could just double click on it and it should ask you a question, asking if you want it to run. So you just hit yes, and it'll start running. So once you do that, that's when the tweak can start working. If you want, you can restart just to see if if it's gonna be permanent, which it will be. Yeah. Once you do that, you should be good. Okay. Another one. What we're gonna do after doing that power commands and everything like that, because that one was the biggest part. We're gonna go to executive, and then we're gonna type in capital S D B timeout. Okay, and then just double click it, or it should pop up like this, and just add the value or value data 0. Okay. Once you're done with that, yeah, sorry about that. Make sure y'all change that into regedit. So you're gonna right click and then go to new, then go to D word. Okay. Once I go to D word, then type that SDB timeout 0. Then the next one we're gonna move on to, go to new, which is right click, then go to new, then now go to string value. And when you go to string value, it should look like this, like an AB on this little piece of paper, whatever you want to call it, or icon. So it's gonna look like that, and you're gonna just have to type in throttle idle timeout. So that's exactly what you're gonna have to type in, throttle idle timeout, and then type in 0 for the value. We're gonna move on to the next. This one should be already there, so you probably wouldn't even have to type it in. It's called worker factory thread idle timeout. Sorry about that, I'm smoking at the same time. So yeah, just put a 0 for that one. I'm sure y'all should be able to see it. Worker factory thread idle timeout, and then just put a 0. Alright, after you do that, I don't know if I'm moving too fast, but I move a little slow, so you won't have to keep let's see, rewind the video. Alright, so after you do that, you just leave it. Put a 0 for that worker factory command. Alright, another thing. So we're gonna move down to memory manager. So the first thing we're gonna do is right click, go to new. Then we're gonna hit this D word, and then I want you guys to type in this, which is system pool size, right here. So once you type that in, just add the value, which is gonna be 0. Okay, mine's is already done, so that's the reason why I'm not doing it. But other than that, what we're gonna do is right click on it, then go to permissions, and once you go to permissions, it should be this should say all application packages. Just double click that. This will probably be closed, but other than that, there should be a tab right here that says enable inheritance. So this should be a one that says disabled right there instead of it saying enabled right now. So once you hit the disable, this should say come up with a prompt. Just hit yes or convert to those settings, and it'll take off it'll take off that security from, you know, from this command. So just do that, and then once you go back into it, it should look like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just hit this show advanced permissions. So once you hit that, just hit some of these, like from here to right here, is gonna be filled with checks. Just clear it all, and then afterwards it should be blank. The only two you're gonna have to put right now, just put this one, click these ones, notify and read control or write control, whatever, and then hit OK. Once you hit OK, do the same for this count unknown. You should have the same one, but it's not going to be probably the same thing. Other than that, do that for that one. And I'm gonna go through the basics again. Just go to show advanced permissions, and then afterwards all these boxes right here should be checked, but we're gonna uncheck them. So we're gonna clear all, then go to recheck them, notify and read control. So just hit OK. Once you hit OK, it should look like that. It should say special. Now we'll move on to the next one. Do the same for that one. So I'm gonna go over it again with y'all again. Show advanced permissions, and then there should be checks on these, but we're gonna clear all, and then go to notify and write control. Okay. Don't touch these three system administrators and users. Don't touch those. Right now we're gonna touch this one. So do the same for this one. Show advanced. These are gonna be checked, but uncheck them, which is clear all. Then check these, which is notify and write control only. Okay. After that, hit OK. Make sure you don't change these, because if you do change these, it might mess up your computer, and then you might have to redo your whole computer. And I'm sure y'all guys don't want to do all that and then restart it, do all that. Yeah, because y'all not gonna want to do the commands no more. So make sure everything that y'all doing, make sure y'all following my directions. If y'all don't, make sure you go back. Don't be lazy. Go back and redo the video, and you know, go by piece by piece, or clip by clip, whatever you want to say. Other than that, we're gonna continue. So after doing all that, all right, you click apply and then OK. I just hit cancel because I already have everything equipped it. So after you do that, yeah, we are going to move on to the next. Sorry about that. I was looking at something. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna move on to the next. And for the next, I am gonna do another video on that one, because that one is a separate part. So I'm gonna end the video started now. Yeah. So if you guys did everything right, y'all should feel the performance right now. It should be high gaming performance, or you know, fast loading, fast. As you can see, look at my computer, it's very fast. It loads very quick. Let's see, I'm gonna go here. Everything loads very quick. Okay, YouTube and all that. Everything's quick. All right. It loads up, everything loads up quick. There's no problems at all. All the commands that I do, there's no problems. If there was problems, you know, it'll mess up my computer, and then I have to redo it and everything like that. That's when I'll know what's wrong, what's right. All right. So I'll be the one going through all the problems and everything like that. If anything, I'm giving you all the good settings. So yeah, just follow. Make sure y'all follow what I write in the commands, because if y'all don't, y'all gonna have to, yeah, y'all gonna be in big trouble. You're gonna have to redo the thing. I'm not sure if y'all have the CD, so yeah. But other than that, to make it real easy, I will probably leave a link in the description, so you know it'll be easy for y'all to do, so you won't have to do all this typing and everything like that. Other than that, I'm gonna let y'all go. Please subscribe to the video, like the videos, because if y'all don't like it, I ain't posting another video. So we're gonna keep it like that. Yeah, that's about it. Other than that, if I don't see no likes, I'm not gonna really post no videos, you know. There's no need to show my skills if, you know, if I ain't seeing no improvements or whatever. I'm not forcing y'all to like my thing, but I'm just saying, like, you know, that's what's gonna keep up the next upcoming videos. I'm gonna be streaming or showing. Soon it's gonna be gaming settings and everything like that, different games. If y'all like, y'all can choose and let me know. Right in the comments, let me know what game do y'all usually play and what game would you want me to configure and show you the best gaming settings for that one, so you can go high gaming or better gaming. And it'll feel all the games will feel very smooth, especially through all these tweaks that you know we're doing together. So yeah, shoot me a comment anytime, y'all. I'm gonna get off right now. I'm actually about to do the next video, so see me on the next video, y'all. The next one is gonna probably be a network tweak video, so that one is gonna be about networks. I was gonna do another performance video, but since we have 2 already up, we're gonna go on to the next thing, and then afterwards, if we need to go back, we'll go back to performance, and I'll show you another video. Other than that, stay tuned, y'all. I'll catch y'all later on another video. Peace.